Okay, Asia session done. Just a quick one. I gotta do some stuff today. Took a trade on Forex, AUDNZD. Trending day, signal day, weekly, monthly, daily breakout levels all going one way. We faked out the previous week high the other week, and then we're below the week breakout high. So this becomes a peak formation. And I'm trading every time I'm below this breakout level, I'm looking for a high fake out, take it down, high fake out, take it down. So today, trend retracement setup. You should know this by now. Trend retracement requires a strong higher time frame push to one direction. Previous H8 high fake out at the high of the day, got that. Previous day's lows untriggered, got that. And going in the direction of the day breakout level, that's got that as well, and TP at the previous day low. Okay, so 7 a.m. Nothing happened. Tokyo market open. So I waited until the next hour, which is the start of the 4-hour bar. Once that happens, I know that I know where my trades are going to be. It's going to be at the high of the H4. And so this faked out the H4 high, came back down. I needed it to break the last bullish M15 bar, happened right here. And this is when I was interested to enter the market. Been a bit busy lately, so not really sitting around watching all this movement. I just let the next M15 play out, put an alert above the M15 high. Once they triggered, I just entered straight off the M15. I think these days I'll be trading based off the M15 levels. So got that fake out at the M15. Once that happened, I had a look, drop down, came back up, and I entered probably at this fake out bar. Stop loss at the high of this candle. Oh, sorry, wrong way. Like this. Entered on that fake out. Stop loss at the high and targeting previous day low. So it was about 2R. So there was an inside bar. This inside bar got printed, and once that inside bar happens, it creates a range. This is when I protected my position, went to break even, and I'm currently risk-free. If this closes above this M15 bar, I'm just going to exit the trade. Otherwise, I'm going to hold it until previous day low. So that's one trade I took, and the other I took on the Nikkei. Nikkei was at the top of the range here. There's a two fake out bars in a row that creates a range high, range low. Yesterday faked out that range. We faked out the previous week high over here, and we're triggered the previous day high. This becomes a fake out setup for me. Fake out setup, previous H8 high fake out, previous day high fake out, high of the day. This is what I got. Trading it based off the weekly levels and at the top of this range. So took it straight off the M15 again. Stop loss at the high of the day. Entered as price broke below that previous day high. Came a bit early because came in before the H8 high, but the larger time frame broke, so I was okay to enter. Holding it down, I'll just be trailing my stops on this, but I'm attempting to hold it to this range right here, this H4 range. Inside bar creates a range, so I'll be looking at these levels. I already put alerts to see. I'll be coming back and watching this this trade as it goes. Yeah, so that's it. I've once there's this bar broke the last bearish breakout bar, and then the next bar broke the last bullish breakout bar, and it also created a range as well. Inside bar, there's a range, so I'm protecting my position. Went break even already, so I usually trail all these. Whenever the breakout bias changes, this creates a swing point on a lower time frame, and I'm trailing those levels. So I'm above the previous week high right now, and letting it play out. These ranges, a lot of times they'll come up and spike out, and then if it wants to continue down, it'll come down. So I'm trailing it a bit more loosely, but let's see how this plays out. So those were the only two trades I took. There was a nice move on gold, but I did not have any setup on that. It was a fake out day. Bias was to the upside. Here's the breakout level. Uh, see, triggered the previous day low, so I'd be looking for buys, but at the high of the day, changed bias here, broke below the H4 low, and then just shot down. Have no setup here. I need a H4 or H8 high fake out to take this down. Um, didn't really like this because I was in the middle of everything. But yeah, some nice movement, but it's not a setup for me. Um, Nothing I could have entered into. I didn't even see this coming also. But I watched like every pair, so wasn't didn't see anything interesting on gold. H8, yeah. So that's it. Only two trades, Asia, and that's it.